hello my YouTube friends. I just come up from the home now and I just want to go to the shop. I have some food. I have some food there and I just want to put for the birds. And I have my breakfast as well. I get a shower, I have a breakfast. And today is a really beautiful morning. And the weather is the weather is just not good, but anyway, it's Ireland, always like that. Yeah, don't worry, let's go and just feed our birds like usually we doing, you know. Just have a lot of stuff, chips, extra wasting, and when there's too much we just put in a plastic bag and we just feed our birds. It's a beautiful morning. Yes, let's go guys. See? The road is going. I'm just there and just near to the shop and I just pick up it. Finally guys, I'm here in the shop and I just have the food there and I just need to wear the gloves first. Oh, welcome back guys. We just have our food and we just need to go there and we need to just feed the birds. Yeah, I have a lot of it's like full packet of the thing, you know, and we just go there and see you there. Yeah, look guys, they are waiting for me and I'm just there. I'm just there, there, and let's call them to come and eat their food. Let's see, we just fed our camera just there by the road down there and we're just feeding our beautiful birds. Wow, look at them, they are just waiting for me to come and feed them. Oh my god, look, come on birds, come on, I coming, come on, you can have, look what they are coming. Okay, let me set my camera there first. Look, wow, come on, I'm here for you guys, come on. Let's start the show guys, come on. My outfit, come there. Beautiful day. And see you until next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel as well. Thank you. Bye.